Hello everybody and welcome back. Last time that I showed this speaker in my channel, I was testing it. This is the JKR2 speaker and I find it not that great. But I had an idea. I want to replace the internal drivers of the speaker and maybe improve it. So I took the grill out and this cover, and we'll put it aside, and let's see how can we replace the speaker drivers and maybe improve the sound or not. You can already see I damaged the speaker when opening. The speaker itself, it's just the dust cup is a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the screws out of the speaker. There are 5 screws here. So as you can see, we opened the speaker. And let's look what inside. So there is the main board with the amplifier, all the switches, the on and off switch, the USB switch, the SD card input. This is the main chip with the amplifier, some capacitors and some battery input and an output to both speakers and passive radiator. So that is all. If you want to see the interesting remote control model, so this is the way it goes. You have a magnet here. It's not a magnet actually, it's an infrared receiver. Inside you can see the chip here and a magnet inside holds it in place. So what we're going to do is trying to replace those 2 speakers. So for that purpose I brought a donator speaker. I already moved the grill out. So I'll open this speaker and take the drivers out and replace the original driver of the JKR2, hopefully to improve the sound. So let's get back to the JKR speaker, and if we have some luck, so maybe we can replace the speaker by the same connector, hopefully. Now the polarity I think is the opposite. Yeah, it seems like the opposite polarity. So no, it's the same. So we can replace this is also because I don't have to solder the speaker. And let's connect the other speaker, which is the battery and which is the speaker. Hopefully we'll find out. Oh, I made a mistake. This was the power, and these are both speakers outputs, sorry. So this is the speaker outputs. Let's take him out. and connect back. This wire is really short. So I had some luck and the speaker connector is basically the same. Now we'll have to put the speaker out and replace with those speakers. So now we'll just take the cover out. Something funny, because here we have some isolation and the other speaker doesn't have it. Really weird. So this is the back cover, and let's take it out. So a little fix, I put it a double-sided tape here to bridge the gap between the speaker and this holder. And now we'll just have to assemble the rest of the speaker. It's a pretty easy job. So we got all the panels and let's connect it. So I connected all the panels right now, and the last thing I want to see whether I put this cloth on the piece of fabric on the speaker, or maybe I'll put the grill without the fabric, so I'll get more highs. So for that I'll make a little experiment. So we are doing our little sound test right now. So let's try it out. Phone is connected. So first impression, not a lot of bass. I can't see any significant improvement in the bass. Maybe it's a little bit, I don't know yet, but we'll further in this video make a more specific sound test, more refined one. Now we are, but definitely more highs, and the mid-range is less screamy, so there is an improvement for this tweak. Let's say if this close has some effects on the sound. So okay, there was a slight change of treble. I think I leave the cloth in its original place. So definitely an improvement in the sound, especially in the highs, and the speaker is less screamy. It is a little bit screamy, but much less than it was. So let's make a complete sound test now, quick sound test with the dedicated microphone and sound recorder. So put your headphones and you will have the chance to listen to the speaker in its modified version. So we are at the sound test of the speaker. We'll hear a song from the wonderful Mange. I hope I pronounce its name right. This is a new vocal track from him. Let's hear if the speaker has some improvement. Was it worth it to do all this job? So this was a wonderful song by Nomian. I'll put a link in the description for his channel. And as to the speaker, so definitely there is an improvement in the sound, especially in the high range, the treble range, a more defined, I said a more deep, I'll say a more detailed treble, and the mid-range is a little bit less screamier, which is a good thing. The thing I wanted to see and I didn't see is improvement in the bass department. There is a improvement. The bass is faster, it's more responsive, even I'd say sharper. But there is no improvement in the frequency response, therefore no lower bass or stronger bass. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this speaker tweak improvement hack. If you have this speaker, I would recommend, if you are skillful enough to replace those speakers, maybe it will improve your sound, but I wouldn't buy it for tweaking purposes unless you are really like to, mess with this stuff and experiment with it. If you want me to put high-end speakers like maybe tank band on the speaker, please like this video, and if I'll get 30 likes on this video, I'll order a set of tank band speakers and see if it fits.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time in next video. Hope you have fun. Bye for now. Have fun. Bye.